I'm back playing with this old antique Lempco Bear balancing machine. Making some progress, just messing around with this 258 Jeep straight crank. Correction to my last video, actually I figured a few things out. Is the number that gets indicated is where it wants weight. So it's actually showing me the light spot. Just messing around with it, checking the phasing and stuff. So I'm adding, there's a good, I don't have a scale here, but there's a good 12 grams of clay on the the crank pin, and I'm getting it so there's a good 15 thousandths of deflection in the dial indicator. And let's see how it works. I'm seeing also that the speed, it's got a vary speed on it. You can't go too fast. So that right there is about 500 RPM. And it's pretty clear. I mean, that's on manual. The automatic is a little bit funky, but that's on manual when you dial in the points yourself. Pretty clear at position 5. So we bring let's grab position 5, bring it up to to the top. So position 5 is up top, and it's pretty much opposite of the clay. Dialing in that phasing is going to be something I'll have to figure out, but yeah, that's just kind of part of these old machines, is figuring out at what speed the sweet spot is, the resonance speed is, and trying to figure out the phasing. So like on the Stuart Warner, there's a little range. When you start off, it'll show it'll show where it wants the weight, and as you speed up, the weight will shift, and you have to kind of figure out where that weight's going to be. I mean, these things are, I'm kind of starting to think it's kind of silly. I just don't have the time to spend. It's like an all-day event balancing a crank, and that's hoping to get it close. But I'm thinking a fancy balancer is in my future.